Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate mayo cake. It may sound weird to have mayonnaise in the cake, but it's actually really good. Mayonnaise is made from eggs, oil, and vinegar, which are things you use all the time in baking, so it's a great thing to use in baking. The eggs retain the moisture, the oil makes it really tender, and the vinegar really brings out the chocolate's flavor and is really delicious, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add the cocoa powder and hot water, and whisk them really well together until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract, and beat them on high speed for 5 minutes until they become really thick and light in color. Then turn off the machine and add in the mayonnaise and beat it in until it's well combined. Then add in the chocolate mixture, flour, it's better if you sift it in so you don't get lumps, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and buttermilk, and mix them in on low speed until they're just combined. Be sure to not overmix the batter. And finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Grease 2 8 or 9 inch round cake pans with non-stick cooking spray. And line the bottom of each pan with a circle of parchment paper. And divide the batter evenly between each pan. And bake them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the chocolate frosting. Sift the powdered sugar and cocoa powder into a medium bowl. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in half of the powdered sugar and cocoa mixture and 5 tablespoons of the heavy cream. Mix them in on low speed until they're combined. Then add in the rest of the powdered sugar and cocoa mixture and the rest of the heavy cream, and mix them in by hands to mix in all the ingredients, and add an additional heavy cream, just 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches a frosting-like consistency. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then once the cakes have cooled completely, run a butter knife around the edges to loosen them. Then flip them out of the pans and remove the parchment paper and place them onto a cooling rack. Then level off the tops, and you can cut them in half too if you like. You can use a serrated knife if you don't have a cake leveler. And remove the trimmed tops, we won't need them. Spread a little bit of frosting onto a cake plate. And then stack each of the layers, spreading a bit of frosting between each layer. And then cover the entire cake in frosting. And that's how to make a chocolate mayo cake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.